Hey, 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 hey. Come on in, y'all. Come on in, come on in, come on in, come on in. Yeah, I'ma always say that. So don't get tired. It's okay, it's okay. Just say, I know what she about to say. Anyway, so I'm gonna do show and tell for this video. I went to Walmart, my corner store, Fiesta Market, that's my taco store, and I went to Didi's Discount just to get, I was looking for some tablecloths for my kitchen, and I ended up finding 3, so I got them. Anyway, yeah, so it's gonna be show and tell with the groceries, why I bought it, what I'm gonna use it for, whatever, you know, ramble. That's what I'm gonna be doing. So come on in, y'all. I wanna thank you for your time and each and every moment you spend with Myra. So we're gonna get started. I wanted to show y'all my receipts. I lost the one for Didi's Discount, and I just got home. I don't know what I did with it, but anyway, let's get to it, y'all. I'm just gonna do a sneak peek, and then we're gonna do everything one by one. Let me show y'all this tablecloth, a little bit of it, because this was one that I bought, but I opened it up and put it down real quick. Okay, we about to get started. Show and tell, 3 stores. Walmart, again, my corner store, Fiesta Market. I love to go there for my Taco Tuesday, and Didi's Discount, because I wanted to change my tablecloth, and I showed y'all one of them that's on the table now. So that first one, I'm gonna start with Didi's Discount. So the first one that I showed you was in this package, and it was on sale for $3.49. It was Island Paradise. That's the name of it. Size 70-inch round. I can't see the regular price, what it was before the sale price, but again, this one was on sale for $3.49, and this was my favorite. I also, y'all, lost my receipt, but I think I spent like 12 something for all 3. This is the second one, Dining Fashion, PVC free tablecloth, easy to wipe down, 70 inches, and this one was $4.99. You can see the pattern on the back. I like this one. I wish it was red though, because my kitchen is red and like a peach color. So this is the third one. I bought 3. Easy Care, easy to wipe down. And this one was $4.99 as well. The regular price was, well, it said compared to $7, but I don't know about $7. But this is a 70-inch round as well. I'll say these plastic ones, they may last me maybe 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks, and you know, sometimes the color started to come off, so it's time to change for me. It's time to change, yeah. So I got the mocha. I like the mocha. That will get my attention, y'all. And I like this pattern. But again, the Island Paradise was my favorite, and it was the cheapest one on sale at Didi's Discount. And again, I believe I spent like 12 something, $4.99, $4.99, and $3.49. Okay. I think that's all I got from Didi's Discount. But I also seen this cool foot pedal. So if you want to do your feet at home, instead of, you know, bending all down, stretching, hurting your back, they got this foot stand. Really cool. It was $12.99. I really should have got it. I really should have got it because I am the one that be stretching and hurting her back at home, trying to do my own feet. Okay, we're gonna do Fiesta Market, my my Taco Tuesday store. So, what I get? I got the ground chuck. This ground chuck was $6.01. Sorry, I thought somebody was at my door. $6.01. So it's $3.98 a pound. Again, this is a pound and a half of ground chuck, 80% lean. Fiesta Market. And I probably could have got this a little cheaper at my corner store, Walmart. But this is my taco store, so I got it while I was there. Ground chuck. And my husband loved the flour tortillas with his tacos. So I got the flour tortillas. I always buy the flour tortillas because I will eat the flour as well. He'll eat the corn too, but you know, he loved this one, so I always buy this. I get a pack almost every week because we do tacos. And I think these was like, I want to say maybe 70 cents or so. Let me double check, y'all, how much these were. $1. No, I'm looking at the bone. I don't even see it on here. I don't even see the price on here. But it's cheaper at Fiesta Market. Again, I didn't get the price. I think somebody at my door. And this time I got the corn tortillas. And these are the small ones. They call these for walking tacos. Like putting a handful. Yeah. So these are the small corn tortillas. My sister-in-law buy them all the time. I like them. So that's why I got the corn this time. But I normally always get the flour for the hubby and me. Yeah, so I got that. And my helpful hint, I call this my helpful, yeah, I can't think of what I call it. But instead of me having to cut up everything, it's cut up already. I do add more cilantro and jalapeno peppers and onions. I do. But it has tomatoes, cilantros, jalapeno peppers, yeah, I think in the onions, but I like a lot of onions in mine. So it's pre-cut already, so I'll be buying this. It's helpful for me. Yeah. Oh, and this was $4.08. They had some cheaper ones, but you know, I got this one. Cilantro. I put cilantro in my my meat too when I cook my meat, and I'm gonna cut up some and add more to my pico de gallo. So I got 2 bunches. No, I got 3. I'm sorry. It was 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 for $1. And I love Fiesta Market and Tony's produce. They always looking fresh, I'll say. So I love it. So for my produce, I love to shop at Fiesta Market and Tony's. But Fiesta Market for Taco Tuesday. So I get that, right? The green onions was 2 for $1. The cilantro was 3 for $1. Nice. I got 2. And I'll be using these. I cut these up and put them in my taco meat when I cook my taco. I use the green onion. Sometimes I use the regular onion, but for taco, I like these better. I don't know. I think it's because of the color. The color. So, yeah, green color. So that's cilantro, the green onions. Okay, Fiesta Market. I'm trying to make sure I got all the stuff I got from Fiesta Market. The pico de gallo, corn tortillas. Flour tortillas. I'm sorry. Corn tortillas and my ground chuck. Okay, so that's, I believe that's everything. Oh, I do want to show y'all. I got something else. This is the sweet meat, y'all. A lot of people, I cook some red beans, kidney beans, the red kidney beans, and I use smoked sweet meat. So this is the smoked sweet meat that I use. I got this from Fiesta Market, and I will use it, but I mainly bought it because I wanted to show everybody, you know, what they actually look like. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna open this up so I can show you for the people that don't know what it look like. I want to show you the actual. They are riblets. That's what they are. And I will show you. This is a riblet. Don't worry, I'm gonna wash my hands again. Yes. And I'm gonna rinse this meat off as well. Again, it's just little riblets, but they are so good with red beans. With red beans, y'all. And listen, this package was $5.24, and it's a lot of meat in here. For me, y'all, $5 for smoked sweet meat is really good. It's a really good price. So let me go and wash my hands and rinse that meat. I'll be right back. Okay, Fiesta Market. I spent $21. The smoked sweet meat was $5.24. The chuck, ground chuck, was $6. Cilantro, what they $4? $4. Okay, y'all. I can't. It's kind of light, faded out. I can't really see. But the total was $21.53 that I spent at Fiesta Market. And again, the total for my 3 tablecloths at DD's discount was like 12 something. On to the corner store, Walmart. And if you don't know, I call Walmart my corner store because I go there so much. I go up there for one item. So just like the corner store, you know, you run to the corner for those one things you forgot, or the one thing you just need, maybe 2 things, but that's why I call Walmart my corner store. So in the future, when you hear me saying or mention my corner store, I went to the corner store, I did a corner store run, it's Walmart. Okay, now let's see what I got from Walmart. First, today we're gonna have tuna. So, helmets. So, I got the big one because I need it for my tuna. And also this week, we're gonna have sandwiches. So I need enough, right? Now, with the sandwiches, my husband like Miracle Whip on his sandwiches. He will eat this when I mix it with stuff, but for the sandwiches, he want Miracle Whip. And I have a lot of issues when I make my husband sandwich with Miracle Whip. You're trying to hurt him. You're trying to kill him. That's disgusting. And use mayo. And this is what he want. So he want Miracle Whip. He gets Miracle Whip on his sandwiches. Again, I like milk. I eat Miracle Whip too now. But I prefer this. I think he said it's too thick. Yeah, I think he said mayonnaise is too thick. He prefer Miracle Whip, but it is what it is, right? I got just one chicken stock. I'm gonna go and get some more this week. I failed to get the beef stock. I need that for my tacos when I make my tacos, but I may end up using some chicken stock and just use the beef broth seasoning that I have. It'll work. But I love chicken stock. I use this so much. I kind of use it to substitute water, like for my rice, my grits. I use this. I don't use water when I'm boiling it. This is what I do, y'all. This is just what I do. So again, chicken stock. I got to keep at least one on hand at all times. Because again, this is my substitute for water when I'm boiling stuff. Okay, so with this tuna, mayonnaise, tuna, I got the tuna. I got 3 cans. And I like the one with the vegetable oil. So 3 cans will make more than enough for the hubby and me. So we'll have this for 2 days, I'm sure. We'll have it. He'll have some for lunch, and we'll have some for dinner or leftovers whenever we want it. But yeah, I got 3 cans. Again, I don't like the one with the water. I prefer the oil. Starkist oil. The vegetable oil, y'all. That's what I got. So again, tuna. The crackers. I like to get the fresh stacked because they already individually packed, kinda. It's 8 in this one. Sorry. It's 8 in this one. You know, because for me, I usually buy the long ones and they go to waste. You know, they get stale fast. So this is why I get these. So it's 8 little individuals. 8, 8, 8. Yeah, so when I make my husband lunch, I can just give him a pack or 2 as opposed to opening up, you know. They just get stale fast. This makes more sense for me. Yep. So either we can use the crackers or toast some bread, because I will toast some bread and put me some pickles on there and get myself happy. Yeah. So I got bread also for our sandwiches. So I was running low, and I love Sara Lee honey wheat. The hubby and I love this brand. We love it. It is fresh, soft. I do check dates, so I make sure I got the best date. Although we do eat a lot of bread, y'all. We eat a lot of bread. So either with the tuna or just sandwiches we'll have later on this week, because it's going to be a hot week. Yeah. Pickles for my tuna and sandwiches. Again, when I make my tuna sandwich, pickles. I add a little pickle juice in when I make my tuna too. And I like pickles on my sandwich. Relish for the tuna. Sweet relish. Sweet relish, y'all. That's what I like. Sweet relish. And I add onions too. I just gotta cut up my onions. I had onions already, so that wasn't part of the show and tell. I didn't buy them today. So, but I will cut up some onions. Relish. Mayo. Tuna. And eggs. And I check my eggs out. Make sure they are not broken at all. So this is a carton of 18. And with my tuna, I add 1 egg per can. And an extra one just to put on top and make it pretty. So I'll be boiling 4 eggs for my tuna. Oh yeah. And this week we're gonna have turkey sandwiches. Oven roasted turkey sandwiches. The white meat, y'all, by Land O'Lakes. This was 1 pound, and I believe it was like $5 and something. Yeah. Yes. So sandwiches, again, y'all, when I make my husband sandwiches, he want Miracle Whip. He's gonna use this helmet. He will eat the helmets. I'm sorry. He will eat He will eat this and the tuna. But for his sandwiches, Miracle Whip. Again, I get a lot of static about Miracle Whip when I make my husband sandwich. But that's what he wants. So this is the lunch meat we'll have this week for our sandwiches. And I like pickles on my sandwich. The hubby don't. I do. And cheese. He eats cheese on his sandwich every now and then, but he's not a fan of cheese. And lettuce for my sandwich. And I got this lettuce for Taco Tuesday. It's already cut up. I like this. And I check dates. The shredded lettuce. Another helper. Like the pico de gallo, another helper. You know, let them do some work. Yeah, I know we're paying for it, but it's okay. Sometimes it's just okay. And fettuccine. I like fettuccine when I make my garlic noodles. I'm thinking this week I'm gonna have garlic noodles and salmon. I'm gonna have to cook another meat for the hubby though. He will eat salmon, but it's not his favorite. So fettuccine. I got some fresh garlic. I'm gonna mince up with this. Yep, and my butter. Little soy sauce. Yeah. It'd be so good, y'all. Simple, but it's good. And another alternative to making pasta. Yes. Fettuccine. And I love this brand, Barillo. I love this brand. And I think this is the last thing. Gotta keep these on hand just in case. Just in case. I bought 3. I always try to get them in 3s. You know, just in case. Because I know for sure I'm going to do something taco related once a week. Unless something happened. Like 1 week we was on vacation. The next week we did tacos for my brother's birthday. And we had bought, there was so much meat that we bought meat home, and we had leftovers that Monday, and Taco Tuesday was Tuesday, so that was another reason. But for the most part, yeah, I do something because my husband love tacos. He'll make a taco out of anything, y'all, anything. I don't care what kind of meat I make. I told him I think he just liked the bread, because I don't care what kind of meat I make, he will make a taco out of it. So it seems to me that he liked the bread. So, okay. And Walmart, I spent $44.56. Yeah. I think that's it, y'all. I think that's it. I am about to start my eggs boiling. I'm going to put my tuna in the fridge, my mayo in the fridge, and my relish in the fridge. I like it cold, and it also helps your tuna, get colder faster, considering, the eggs are being cooked. This is what I do, y'all. This is just what I do. It's not needed. You don't have to, because we're not about to eat the tuna right now anyway. It's going to sit in the fridge and get cold, but this is just a starter. It helps me. It helps me, y'all. Okay, y'all, that's the end of my show and tell of my grocery haul from my corner store, Walmart, my Taco Tuesday store, Fiesta Market, and Dee Dee's Discount. Well, today I went to Dee Dee's to look for some tablecloth, but Dee Dee's Discount, I would say that's a store I need to go to every day, because as a content creator, one of the things I love to do is shop for deals and discounts, or search for deals and discounts for my viewers, for my followers, for my subscribers. Because you may be looking for something and, hey, I'm going to let you know it's over here. And Dee Dee's Discount, because I think they get like a truckload in every day, except for Sundays. So they always getting something in different. So, like every now and then, I need to go peep, see what they got in new. Like today, I saw that foot, I'm going to post that foot pedestal. I forgot what it's called now, but I am going to post that in this video so y'all can see exactly what I'm talking about. It's really nice for $13, but they, they just get stuff in. So again, I am Myra, the content creator, and I'm your shopper looking for deals and discounts. So, y'all know, help a girl out. Like, help a girl out. Subscribe, follow, click, 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 click. Help a girl out, y'all. Okay, y'all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.